Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to find drug stash cars in GTA 5. These are random events, meaning their locations vary each time you play. You'll need to actively explore the game world to trigger these encounters. When you find a stash vehicle, you'll typically need to deal with any guards and then secure the contents. This can net you a good amount of in-game currency, often around $25,000, making it a worthwhile endeavor for quick cash. To maximize your chances of finding a drug stash car, focus your search on specific regions. Blaine County is a prime location, with many players reporting encounters around Sandy Shores and the Grand Senora Desert. These events can also pop up in other diverse areas, both urban and rural. Driving through these regions repeatedly, perhaps in a loop, will significantly increase the likelihood of a random event spawning for you to discover. Triggering these events is mostly about proximity. As you drive through the designated areas, the game will randomly activate the event when you're close enough. Keep an eye on your minimap for a blue or red dot, which signifies a random event in progress. You might also hear distinct sounds, such as yelling or the sound of a struggle, before the icon even appears. Be prepared for a confrontation, as the individuals guarding the stash will not give it up easily. Once you've located the drug stash vehicle, your next step is to secure it. This usually involves eliminating the enemies who are guarding the vehicle. There are typically 2 to 3 armed individuals, so approach with caution and use cover. After they are dealt with, simply interact with the vehicle or the briefcase nearby. The cash reward, often around $25,000, will automatically be added to your character's bank account. Drive a short distance away to fully complete the random event and enjoy your earnings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.